Hi, I'm Matt Barnes from Rogue Aviation.
And I am Sean Kathleen, the creator of Passenger Shaming.
And this is part 4 of our 5-part video series called
Helicopter Etiquette 101. So personal space, obviously a thing on an airplane. How bad is it on a helicopter?
It's kind of worse because you're in a really tight, confined space. That actually leads us to rule number 4, which is don't make it awkward. So imagine you're in a helicopter and you've got the middle seat in the back, and maybe you're in between a couple and they wanted the outside seat so they could both have a good view. And well, this is what can happen.
Hey, it's me and Corey on our flight.
What's
Say
up?
hi.
Oh, do you want me to get a picture of you guys?
No, it's okay. Hey, let's take another photo.
I'm flying!
Are you sure? Are you sure I can take it for you? No, it's okay. Just
we're
can
good.
you lean back a little bit?
You look
I'm
so
having
good.
so much fun. Thank you.
You look so good.
Oh, that's cute.
Selfie!
Yay! Oh, I think I'm in it.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
okay. Just
she
lean
is
back
in
a
it.
second. Oh.
She's in it.
I'll just look that way.
Yeah, we won't use those.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so that is super awkward.
Yeah,
like cringe
super awkward. The holding
Okay.
hands across and stuff. Yeah, just don't do that. Don't make it awkward. It's not that hard.
It's not that hard.
And be respectful of people. That's really what it comes down to.
No,
That's it.
I'm in agreement. And you know what? Hey, make sure you stay tuned for the next episode. And thanks for listening to this one.
That's right. Follow us at Rogue Aviation.
And Passenger Shaming on Instagram.
See ya.